Today we're going to talk about pregnancy and your skin. Hi everyone, I'm Manuela Marcheggianni from Isomers Skincare, and I've been formulating and working with skincare and skincare ingredients for over 30 years. And I've also been pregnant and had babies. So we're going to talk about what happens to your skin during pregnancy, what to do, what to not do. So in essence, when you're thinking about having a baby, or when you have a baby, when you're pregnant, your skin, your body is going through so many changes. Their hormones change, a lot of things ramp up, a lot of things change. We start to gain weight, we start to have weird cravings, we start to change our routines, and that shows up on our skin. So we get very excited, I think. The time of having a baby, you're thinking about, okay, you want to start doing things new, things fresh, you want to protect yourself, you want to protect your baby. So it's important to follow a really good diet. That's really important for your skin. Also, what's really important for your skin is having a good sleep-wake schedule. Get plenty of rest, drink water. I used to drink a lot of juices. I used to do a lot of green juicing. And that was really important for me because I felt that a lot of the greens, especially the kale and the parsley and the cilantro and the green apple, and I used to make this mixture every morning, I felt that was fortifying my body, my baby, and my organs, right? So, remember, skin is built on the inside from what you eat, and it starts out as a liquid and then it works through your body and it comes out as a solid, right? So when you think about that mechanism that's happening from the inside out, that's one thing to consider. Now, from the outside in, the things to do when you're pregnant, okay, so things to avoid. You should be avoiding retinoids or vitamin A. Don't eat a lot of things with vitamin A, keep the beta carotene in check, but also on your skin. Don't use retinoids, retinols, or vitamin A derivatives. That's a no-no. Another no-no for me was essential oils. Really stay away from essential oils, especially absolutes or straight essential oils that you utilize. Those are very, very active and they do penetrate. I'm not a big fan of being pregnant and utilizing essential oils. I would go for things that are much more mild, much more inert, really focusing on your skin quality, cleansing it, keeping your skin hydrated well. Okay. Other things to avoid is dihydroxyacetone, which means all self-tanners. Anything to do with tanning your skin, you really shouldn't be doing when you're pregnant. And the other thing would be, okay, so we've got the retinoids. Benzoyl peroxide is another one that you don't want to utilize while you're pregnant. So these are ingredients really to stay away from. Things that you'll notice that's happening when you're pregnant. You may get a pregnancy mask. So you're going to see some melasma and pregnancy mask. Start utilizing ingredients that help with a little bit of the exfoliation. You can do glycolic peels. You can use glycolic acid. Again, not the retinoids, right? Use sunscreen, use sunblocks, use TiO2, use things that are a zinc oxide or an oxide that sits on the skin surface, doesn't penetrate. That's really going to be helpful with the skin as well when you're getting the pregnancy mask. I ended up with a ton, I don't know why, of skin tags on my neck, and they kind of just emerged. I wanted to do something about them, but I left them alone. A lot of things that happen to you when you're pregnant, leave it alone till after you have your baby. What happened to me is I left them alone. After I had my kids, they disappeared. I don't know if they fell off, if they got reabsorbed, but they're gone. So it could have been more of a hormonal thing. And another funky thing I noticed after having my kids is all my hair fell off. Like I had my eyebrows and my hair, but on my body, I was just like, no hair, no need for laser, no need for correction. So think about that too. Maybe that's one of the benefits that you'll have from pregnancy and skincare. Things to do: wear sunscreen, keep your skin hydrated, keep your skin protected, keep it moisturized, but really stay away from fragrances as well. Those are very sensitizing to your skin. And stretch marks. Now this is the big one, right? We gain weight and then we're gonna try to lose that weight. The skin is going to stretch. What I did is Part of the green routine, which was having my green juice every day, was around, areas where I was gaining weight. I just made sure that I had collagen peptides, and I made sure that I had enough moisturizer and hyaluronic in those areas, and just kept that skin soft and supple. And again, I used sunscreen to really keep it protected. I ended up with absolutely 0 stretch marks, but that's part of the routine that I had, but it's also part of genetics. So some people will end up with stretch marks regardless of what you do, okay? So it's not like you've done anything wrong. A lot of times our genetics are just predisposed to stretch marks. But what is a stretch mark? So stretch mark is basically your skin is stretching and it kind of tears. So just think about taking fabric and ripping it in half, or taking a paper and ripping it, right? What we can do cosmetically is we can try to bring that skin together and try to minimize the look. And we can do that after we've had our babies and after we've lost our weight, right? And we can circle back and talk about how to do that and build that back up again with the collagen peptides and with the right hydration. Anyways, congratulations. Take care of yourself. If you're going to be having a baby, it's always exciting and fun. And just know that your body will be changing almost every day. Something different will happen. What worked yesterday may not work today. So you can go through a lot of different kinds of skin issues. So just respond, go with the flow, enjoy the process. And when it's over and you've got back onto your routine, that's the time to really buckle down and maybe deal with some of the bigger issues that you may find that you have. But during pregnancy, go gentle, enjoy, go slow. And if you have any more questions or comments, please feel free to ask them. We're here for you. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe, or subscribe, like, and share. All 3 of those in any order you want. I look forward to talking to you again soon.